In this video, I'll show you how to add questions and answers to your Google Business profile so you can engage directly with your customers and provide helpful information. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick business guides. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to business.google.com. This is your main hub for managing your Google Business profile. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In at the top right and use the Gmail account connected to your business. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your business dashboard. If not, simply search your business name or type My Business in Google. Then click View Profile to open your listing. Now, look for the Q&A section on your profile. This is where you can post or reply to customer questions. Click Ask a Question and a text box will appear. Here, you can type a question that customers commonly ask. Keep it short, clear, and informative. After writing your question, click Post and it will instantly go live on your profile. You'll see a confirmation pop up once it's published. You can also add more questions if you want to cover several common topics. When you're done, click Done to finish. And that's it. You've successfully added Q&A to your Google Business profile. This simple step helps improve customer engagement, builds trust, and keeps your audience well informed. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Business tutorials.